fuck?
You should play the games that I do. They just let you pay to win.
Money for that shit.
Do you have money for a new controller?
No.
You don't have money for that shit either.
What up, actor boy?
Danny, my good friend and roommate. Kenny, my beloved friend and dorm companion.
What's up, Adam? Everything all right?
No, Kenny. Everything is not all right. You see, you guys, I have something to tell you all.
Are those real tears or actor tears?
They're real tears, Danny.
Oh, okay. Come here. Okay. What's the matter, actor boy?
Does he do this often?
I'm dyslexic.
Oh. If you want to hang up rainbow flag in the room, I understand. We just have to take it down whenever I do TikToks. I might get banned in my country.
That's not what that means, Danny.
Wait, Adam. If you're dyslexic, how do you memorize lines?
Well, you see, I find that the words make most sense to me when I have an audience. So I go to where the most eyes will be. A cafe at whatever street is always busy if I go at the right time of day.
You can only read if someone's watching?
Exactly, you get it.
Interior bedroom. Big tall stepbro is waiting to be cut, sucked, and fucked by stepsister. Oh, don't mind me, ladies and gentlemen. I am just a performer. But you can mind me a little bit.
But you read the scripts out loud. So you got kicked out of the cafe?
Not exactly, but yes, I did get kicked out of that cafe. But I get kicked out of cafes all the time. There's always another cafe in LA for me to perform at.
Yeah, that's the spirit.
Anyways, there's a park I would like to read at for a class.
So you want to read out loud?
I have to read out loud. It's for my disability.
Oh, okay, we're doing this again. You know, that's not very PC, bro.
I'm taking depictions of evil taught by Professor Moriarty. And for our final, we're supposed to depict an evil individual from history. And I chose Hitler.
Why Hitler?
I wanted a challenge.
You can do it, bro. I totally believe in you.
Maybe he shouldn't.
I have to. Professor Moriarty said if I back out of the performance, he would fail me. I can't be underprepared.
Okay, so how is this our problem? Because I'm afraid that's where this is going.
Your fears are founded. You, Danny, and Delilah will accompany me to the park, where I will read Mein Kampf out loud. You three will provide me with the social and moral smokescreen I need to do this. Brad, you will stay home for obvious reasons.
Fine. I don't want to go to your public Mein Kampf reading anyways.
All right. So why at the park?
I can't find any more cafes. In LA, that is. So if you're willing to drive.
In endless summer.
Hence today, I believe that I am acting in the accordance of the will of the Almighty Creator. To what an extent of true existence of these people based on the continuous lie and incompetency. The unfair instinct in such sense. Hence, he stops at nothing to his vileness to become a gigantic power.
You will never win an Oscar, ever.
If I hadn't come along, he might have literally got attacked by a mob.
You know, I don't really feel like I got anything out of that performance, honestly. They didn't even let me get through the first paragraph.
They threw so much birdseed at you.
Yes, those fat angry birds sure were incontinent.
I have to ask, man, did you really have to wear the outfit?
Of course I did. How else would I feel like Hitler if I did not dress like Hitler?
I don't know. Maybe be a good enough actor where you don't have to wear some stupid racist outfit to get into character.
That's low, Kenny. To hit a man down like this.
Oh, shit.
What?
Bird shit.
I know, Danny. I was collateral damage.
Hey, it's okay. It's good luck, bro.
Good luck. Me getting shit on by a bird means good luck?
Yeah, in some cultures, I think.
Oh. Well, does it mean good luck in China?
No, it just means you got shit on by a bird.
Fuck this.
Now you know how I feel, Kenny. Oh, wait, Kenny, hold up. You know I can't walk with all the pecking my shins have taken.
Excuse me, sir. Sir.
It's too late. He's gone.
Do you know that man?
I did. Once.
Yeah, he our roommate. Why?
I have to find him. I must know where he got that sick tea.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I can take you to them. For a price.
Price? You mean you charge people to take them places?
Yeah.
Like some sort of walking Uber?
Yeah, exactly like Uber. Except walking.
You're an entrepreneur like me. I give you an extra 10 grand up front for your walking Uber idea. A good idea is a good idea. Now take me to your friend and take me to him fast. Your star rating depends on it.
Okay, all right, okay. Ah! Oh! Oh!
Wait, Danny, not you too! Wait!
Oh my god. You sick fuck. Disgusting.
I guess I could sell more of Kenny's shit again, get a new controller.
We arrived at our destination. Where is he?
Who are you and who the fuck are you looking for?
Your roomie. He had a sick blue tea. The pattern on it was beautiful.
A sick blue tea, you say? Well, I'm glad you like our brand.
Brand? It's just as I thought. It's his own brand that he's wearing.
It's our brand that he's wearing. Our t-shirt brand.
You guys are just like me. You make and wear your own brand.
Is this your own brand?
It became my own when I bought it. I'd like to make your brand mine.
So you want to buy our brand?
I was kinda hoping you just give it to me.
No. Why the fuck would I do that?
Right. How does 40,000 sound for the whole shebang?
Double it.
I like the cut of your jib. Done. Deal.
So when do I get my money?
I'm going to need your whole inventory and you're gonna have to do a fashion show for me. And I'll need it by next week.
How about you get it when you get it?
Damn. You're the type of businessman my father told me about. I respect it. You can get it on your own time. But until then, I'm going to need at least one shirt.
I'm gonna need at least a deposit. Close your eyes. Open them. So, you gonna leave me a card or something?
I'll be in touch.
What the fuck? Fucking Brad.
No one will acknowledge my existence. It's like I'm not even here. I feel like I'm in hell. Which, I guess, sort of helps me prepare for the role of Hitler. A little bit. Please look at me. Am I not human?
You're doing it all wrong, man.
Oh? And you are?
Rufus B. Hayes, bitch. That's who.
And what makes you qualified to judge my acting?
Bitch. Who said anything about acting? You ain't acting out here.
I'm trying my best.
Not a single motherfucker passing us by has even bothered to look at us.
It's awful.
No, it ain't. My favorite part. Well, the only part I like about this life is motherfuckers will ignore you if you let them.
I don't want to be ignored. I want to be a star.
Then let me show you how it's done. Hey, are you a child of God? Like candy from a baby. You see what I mean?
You were able to capture their attention to such a degree that it terrified them.
You have to scare them a little bit. I don't like it, but I do what I have to do to survive.
Rufus, will you teach me how to be a fellow struggling actor in LA?
You pay for me to eat and shit somewhere in peace, I'll teach you everything.
You really are a versatile actor. Do you have a troupe that you work with?
I think I have something in mind.
Thanks for helping me out with this, by the way. I don't think the patterns would look right otherwise.
So, is this like a kink of yours or something?
No, money is my only kink.
Same. You're paying me for all this, right?
I'll sub to your OnlyFans.
Brad, I already know you are.
Any other egghead would crack under the pressure I'm under. But no, not me. I'm an innovator. We sub again.
Brad,
Kenny, there you are.
you thought I wouldn't find you?
No, I'm glad you did. I have some good news.
What, that you're suicidal? Because I'm gonna fucking kill you. Oh, Delilah. Is that my shirt you're wearing?
Yeah,
You look great in it.
I know.
Now that's more the pattern I was thinking.
If it wasn't for the sight of Delilah looking cute as fuck right now, I'd be killing you with my bare hands.
Kenny, your overpriced t-shirts and the patterns that bird shit leave behind on them is worth a lot of money to some rich Indian kid. If you let me do this, I can make us all over $20,000. The real number, it'd only go to their heads.
$20,000.
And you weren't even gonna pay me for this?
It's true. He even paid me for my walking Uber idea. Lap dances and endless cock. Right here.
What does this guy even want?
Our whole inventory and a fashion show.
Fashion show? We can't do a fashion show.
Not yet, we can't.
Ain't no bigger group of hustlers than this one.
Wow.
And y'all, I'd like to introduce you to Adam.
I've never seen more out of work actors in one spot before.
Adam, these people right here teach you everything you need to know.
It is an honor to be in the presence of such professionals.
What the fuck you call us?
Professionals?
Nah, man. We ain't professionals. We survivors.
Wow. You're so right. What an incredibly beautiful way of interpreting it.
Is he looking for some cheap head? Nah, he ain't that kind of cat. He's looking on lessons on how to survive the streets.
Oh, lessons. Oh.
Can you tell where my eyes are looking?
No.
Good. You don't never want them knowing where you're looking. They can't avoid your gaze if your gaze is everywhere.
Wow. That is some amazing body work you have there.
Yeah, they don't call me crazy eyes for my handwriting.
That's right. Hey, man, you want to see some real crazy body work, birdie boy? All right, then. Yeah. Watch this.
Oh, wow, you're absolutely captivating. Russman here can clear a whole city block. His little dance routine.
It's so beautifully interpretive.
Now, if you really want to grab people's attentions, you're gonna need a walk.
That's right.
A walk?
Yeah, a walk.
Like this?
Nah, too calm.
Yeah, it's gotta be crazier than my eyes.
What, a crazier walk?
Yeah. Nah, need some work.
Not crazy enough, goddammit.
What should I be doing differently?
Everything. You walk too nice, birdie boy.
Yeah, you need to intimidate the ground you walk on, like this.
Yeah, like that. There we go. Yeah, shake that dick, brother.
That's it. You got it now. That's it, birdie boy.
I like that.
Look, everybody. I'm doing the walk.
He's doing it.
That you are, kid. That you are.
He's doing it.
Oh. 1 second, gentlemen.
Do that dance. That was cool.
Hello? Ah, Bradley, what can I help you with? You need actors? For a fashion show? Ah, yes. I believe I have some people in mind.
Did he say when it'd be?
No, he just hung up on me like an asshole. Go for Brad.
Hello, it's Raj.
Raj. Hey, Raj, where you at?
Right here with the money.
Oh, there you are, Raj. Hey.
Where the hell is my fashion show?
Keep your pants on, it's coming. I swear, man, it's like every time.
I think Adam's here.
Your talent has arrived.
About damn time. We need to get you all into wardrobe fucking now. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the next step in human fashion evolution. It's bird shit.
Well, that went well.
I gotta say, you guys really pulled through. Might even earn yourselves a little pay.
Listen, I don't do this for the love of the money. I do this for the love of the work.
Suit yourself, man.
They're true artistes.
You guys were great. My investors loved it. So, a deal's a deal.
See you around, kid.
I hope we can work together again soon. For the love of the work, they said.
They took my money.
Our money. 100,000 gone like that? Oh well, I'll make it back in a week.
I want to go home.
I want to go home! Danny, you're my ride. Wait. The only thing I've learned today is to keep Brad out of my closet.
Too hype in the party, feeling like my birthday. I've been dancing all night with a bottle in my hand and a smile on my face. And we got a few more on the way, way. Got a couple more on the way, way. Got a couple more on the way. I can feel a good time coming. CD on the popping, yeah, I pull up when I'm summoned. Party never stopping, we gon' give them what they wanted. It's a line outside, let them in if they want it. Ayy, party people on the left side, come on. Party people on the right side. Man, it's kinda feeling like a fire in the building. We gon' tear it up as soon as we get inside. It's a jam, party going up to the end. Everybody pulling out the cam, and they feeling like the fam. And I'm feeling like the man. Everybody knows just who I am. It's a jam, party going up to the end. Everybody pulling out the cam, and they feeling like the fam. And I'm feeling like the man. Everybody knows just who I am. Too hype in the party. Too hype. Feeling like my birthday. Feeling like my birthday. I've been dancing all night with a bottle in my hand and a smile on my face. Big smile. And we got a few more on the way. Way. Got a couple more on the way. Way. Got a few more on the way. I feel incredible. Always put a good time on the pedestal. Only good energy in my vicinity. You feeling bad? I got the remedy and the revenue. Yeah, I got the potion. People flowing in, it's like the ocean. Popping all these bottles, man, we soaking. Following the motion. I hit you up when I land. You on VIP, I do what I can. It's a jam. Party going up to the end. Everybody pulling out the cam, and they feeling like the fam. And I'm feeling like the man. Everybody knows just who I am.